Well, the rally today was held because a young couple in Cairns have been charged under the anti-abortion provisions in the Queensland Criminal Code. A 19-year-old woman faces 7 years imprisonment for allegedly having an abortion, and her 21-year-old partner faces 3 years in prison for providing the abortion drug that was allegedly used. We believe that this young couple should not be facing criminal proceedings, quite simply because abortion should not be a crime. Abortion is a basic right. Women have the right to control their own bodies, and that's a right that should be afforded in law, and it's a right that should be afforded in the sort of access that should be available to women.